I was just wondering if you've seen Fries anywhere? Fries is right there talking to Fiery. I don't know what his problem is with Potato Chip. Anyways, go on. Thanks, Marshmallow. You're welcome.
What can that do?
He moved to make a contest for you guys so you can win a reward. You guys are in a circle.
Move everyone off except for Lightbulb.
How?
With your squeaky voice! Sure.
Wait, Lemon and Ben is safe as well.
Okay, we get it. Everyone is safe. Who's up for elimination?
Oh, it's actually Hourglass and USB.
It's the worst idea I have ever heard.
That sounds fun!
Would it still be called Marshmallow's team? Oh, Soda, you're finally here. Please. Everyone but Fry is safe. Fry, you're eliminated.
You have got to be kidding!
Now. Whoa, controversial. You just ate Fry. Okay, let's just get on with the contest.